In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Convertri and GetResponse, two leading platforms in the world of online marketing and business management. For your convenience, the links to both Convertri and GetResponse are in the description below so you can try them out. Firstly, let's talk about landing pages. Convertri offers a wide range of customizable templates with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to create stunning landing pages tailored to your brand. On the other hand, GetResponse also provides a variety of templates but with additional features like A/B testing and analytics to optimize your conversion rates. Moving on to email marketing, GetResponse is renowned for its robust email automation tools, allowing you to create personalized campaigns, segment your audience, and track your results effortlessly. Meanwhile, Convertri integrates seamlessly with popular email marketing platforms, giving you flexibility in managing your email campaigns. When it comes to sales funnels, Convertri shines with its intuitive funnel builder, enabling you to create complex sales funnels with ease. However, GetResponse offers a comprehensive all-in-one solution with features like webinar hosting, CRM, and e-commerce integration, making it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Now let's discuss pricing. Convertri offers a straightforward pricing structure with various plans to suit different needs, starts from $99 per month, while GetResponse provides tiered pricing based on the size of your contact list and the features you require, with the price tag of $15 per month with their most popular plan. In conclusion, both Convertri and GetResponse offer powerful features to help you grow your business online. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific requirements and budget. Click the link in the description to try Convertri and GetResponse for free.